You don't have to refresh the page or manually collect your money because this website will start mining Bitcoin for you every 2 minutes. They will be automatically sent into your Bitcoin wallet every 2 minutes. So hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online smartly. In today's video, I will show you how I make $5,937 in Bitcoin automatically every single day for free with no effort required. We are going to build up a completely new stream of passive income for you that will create money for you every day without you having to do anything. Now I am going to expose a highly extensive plan, so we will be using a lot of websites and you will need to pay careful attention to grasp the process and to be able to put it into action on your own. I am going to make everything very plain and straightforward, but in order for this to work, you must follow along. And if you have the patience to watch this video all the way to the conclusion, you will have a comprehensive blueprint and set of instructions that you can use to fully exploit the approach I am about to reveal with you today. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. The first thing I want you to do is to create a Bitcoin wallet, which is a fairly straightforward process. This can be accomplished in a number of ways. The first would be to go to coinbase.com and create a free Bitcoin wallet there. Alternatively, you can go to blockchain.com and perform the same thing. All you have to do now is click the Get Started button. This will take you to a form where you can enter your credentials and you will be good to go. You do not have to invest anything in the procedure because it is entirely free. However, if you're having trouble deciding which Bitcoin wallet is best for you, go to bitcoin.org/en/choose-your-wallet and fill out the form there to discover which one is best. But regardless of which choice you choose, as long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, you are ready to go and we can continue on to the next stage, which will enable us to put this process on total autopilot so that it earns money for us passively. As you know, we want to keep things simple on the channel, so we have already moved on to the second stage, which is linking to a few different websites to automate the process. The first of these is known as faucetpay.io. As a result, I would like you to connect to this website. This is required in order to correctly implement my strategy. Otherwise, it may not function or you may not achieve your full potential. Once you are there, all you have to do now is click the Sign Up button. Make sure you input your correct credentials such as a username and the email address you are presently using because they will send you a validation or confirmation link as the case may be. They will not authenticate your account if you do not click on the link that they will provide you. You will not be able to access their site either. The price of Bitcoin is around $38,827.77 at the time of shooting this video, and it has risen dramatically from the beginning of the year. This, I believe, is the ideal time to begin earning Bitcoin. And if you take my advice and attentively study this video, you will have all the procedures, directions, and information you need to build up an automatic process that will allow you to make a significant amount of money in Bitcoin. We have now moved to the third step where I will expose the websites that will passively create income for us. But first, let me issue a disclaimer, people. It will be difficult if you skip this video and go to the website and try to figure it out on your own, since you may become lost in the process and give up too soon. I don't want you to wind up there, so I will show you how to avoid it. All I ask you is that you need to be patient. With that in mind, the first site I'd like you to visit is autofaucet.dachicorp.space. Double check that you have entered the proper name. Autofaucet.org is the name of the second one. Autoclaim.in is the third one. These are all quite strong pieces of software that will aid us in our efforts to create that much money right now. So as you might think, the first thing I want you to do is register for all three of these websites, and then we can continue on. As I have previously stated, you must now validate your email. You will need to click the validation link, and if all goes well, this is how the website's homepage will look like. And now you must scroll down and select a few options in order to start up this process. So at this point, you should already have an Express Crypto account, which is why I requested you to go there and register because we will need it on this website to start making money. So if you already have one, simply select Express Crypto mode from this menu and we may proceed to the next stage where we can select the currency we wish to receive. So you have a lot of various cryptocurrencies to choose from, but I personally favor Bitcoin because, as you can see, it is on the increase right now, so I am going to go with that option. You must first pass this short CAPTCHA and then press the Start Auto Faucet button. So let us go ahead and do it right now. I am hoping that does the trick, so I'll click Start Auto Faucet and see where it takes us. So here is how the panel will look. You will make money, or rather, mine Bitcoin every 2 minutes, and the primary advantage is that you won't have to return to the website to collect your earnings because your account is linked. As a result, just having that feature will save you a lot of time. Now, the remaining two websites, autofaucet.org and autoclaim.in, are essentially the same. They have a similar premise and function. As you can see, the entire page has a similar appearance. So I will walk you through the autofaucet process, and the same will apply to autoclaim. You should be able to access your dashboard once you have logged in, and you'll find a number of options in this menu on the left-hand side, although the concept here is a little different than the last one. To start mining Bitcoin, you will need to earn these points or free tokens, more specifically. And how are you going to do it? Well, it is just quite straightforward. Basically, you go to the daily bonus area or the offer walls and watch commercials, complete surveys, and so on, and then you will be rewarded with tokens that you can use to mine Bitcoin. Once you have reached a specific number of tokens, you can simply let this process run in the background and not worry about it. However, one crucial aspect to remember is that you should keep your browser open. So don't expect websites to do the work for you when you close your browser, because they will not. Allow them to run in the background and they will generate revenue for you. As previously stated, you must repeat the process for autoclaim.in, which will result in additional funds being added to your Bitcoin wallet. So that is it for today, everyone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.